Hi guys, in today's video I want to show you how to install Apache server on macOS via homebrew. Okay, let's dive into it right now. So first thing first, you copy this comment. You will find them all in the description. You go to the Finder, you click go to folder, and then you paste it. So then you click enter, and hopefully you have homebrew. If you don't, just check out the comments. In the comments I will put the comments how you can install homebrew. If you do have homebrew, you're gonna have this directory. So you open this directory and just keep this. Okay. So the second comment, we want to check what do we have already. So as you can see, we have libmicro httpd, and this is not Apache server which we're about to use, so we're going to install a new one. So we're just using this command, you're just waiting, and then we're going to copy this command again and check this out if we had successfully installed it. And as you can see, it has been successfully installed. Then we go to the next command, we just copy this and paste. You can find them again all in the description. So as you can see right now, our server is running, and to check this out we can use the following command as well. And as you can see, httpd is running right now. So that's cool. Basically we can get access to our Apache web server right in our browser. So if we will go here and then we'll put 127.0.0.1 and then we will put 8080, enter. As you can see, it works. So basically that's it. Tutorial is done. And one thing last, I want to show you how to kind of change the directory. So if you will go into your etc, then httpd, and I believe basically you go to httpd conf. I'll open this with my Visual Studio Code. Then once you've opened it, you got here. So what you're looking is directory. So you just click enter until you will get somewhere here. Yeah. So basically when you see this document root, this is where this page is running from. This page, basically it's index.html. Then you run this, and as you can see, this is what it is. So we can go into this directory. So it's basically opt homebrew var and www. So you go here and then you are looking for var, and then you're looking for www, and then as you can see here is this index.html, and everything is there. It works. So basically that's where your server is running, and you can create files here like style css, connect them, or either you can change the directory. For example, if I want to change in this directory, I just want to copy the path. So copy path and then go to this file and just change it on this. I'll delete this, so the directory may be here, and then it will run from here. Okay, so you change it here and you change it here, only two places where you shall change it. Then you save the file, then you go to here, where's that, so you go here, and then you just basically want to restart your server, so you go to the beginning and then restart. So once I restart, it's going to run here. So my index PHP says hello world and then echo hi. And then basically this line is not going to work. So if I'll reload this again, it says it's not found because HTML, I'm using PHP. So again, index PHP, and as you can see, it's working totally fine, but the second line didn't work. So the reason, because we gotta use PHP, and in the next video I'll show you how to use PHP. You can go just into my channel and check the next video, and the next video you will see. So hopefully it was helpful for you, so you can change this out and work with it directly. Have a good day. Bye bye.